What would you do when you have some free time? Would you go shopping? Hanging out with friends? Read a book? Or watch TV? For me, I do gardening, and here are my reasons. First and foremost, more nutritious food. With greater distances between stores and farms, most produce is picked before it's ripe. This means it doesn't have as much time to fully develop those important vitamins and minerals we need to consume. Growing your own fruit, vegetables, and herbs allows you to have fresh and organic produce packed with essential nutrients. Most gardeners find that their homegrown fruit and vegetables also taste better. Number 2, cost savings. Buying fresh produce from grocery store can get expensive quickly, especially if you're buying organic foods. Growing your own fruit and vegetables can be a great way to save money on your monthly grocery bill. Many of the most common produce items are easy to grow, so even a novice gardener can be successful. Number 3, physical exercise. Whether you are growing nutritious foods or beautiful flowers, gardening takes some work. Gardening is a great option if you are not a fan of going to the gym or want some diversity in your daily exercise. You will find yourself bending over, squatting, lifting, stretching, and a number of other healthy movements to keep your body active and strong. Number 4, stress relief. Being surrounded by nature and engaging in mindful activities like gardening promote relaxation and a sense of well-being. Gardening requires active attention when reporting, checking for pests, and moving plants around. This can help take your mind off of other stresses and help your mind and body to reset. Other activities such as watering or simply looking at beautiful flowers can help you be more present and mindful, calming an overactive mind. Number 5, improve mental health. Studies have shown that spending time in nature, especially while gardening, can have a positive impact on mental health. Gardening helps alleviate symptoms of depression, boost your mood, help increase self-esteem, and provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment. Most plants require consistent care to thrive. Often this can help contribute to establishing routines and give purpose to getting up and outside each day. Number 6, social interaction. Whether it's going to the local nursery to buy new plants, having friends over to help work on your yard, or simply sharing your latest plant success with a friend, gardening helps bring people together. Even for those who don't love social interactions, many people find it easy to talk about the plants they are growing or ask questions about others' gardens. For those growing vegetables, sharing fresh produce is a great way to build relationship with family and neighbors. Last but not least, learning patience and perseverance. While most things around us provide instant gratification, gardening helps us slow down and appreciate small growth over time. It's a great way to practice delayed gratification and also teaches lessons on problem solving and resilience. Very few, if any, gardeners have had a perfect crop or 100% success rate with their plants. This enjoyable hobby helps us develop a desire to try new things and keep going even if things don't turn out perfectly.